Hey, what's up everyone, it's Linus and you're watching my price action trading course on my YouTube channel, Trading with Linus. Alright, in this video I want to talk about institutional programs, or the bots as I refer to them often. So let's get into it. The markets are controlled by bots. Every candlestick you see on your chart is actually the result of a group of bots fighting over the control of the price. And you can only make money if you trade in the same direction of the majority of those bots, because the majority of them end up taking control of the price and move it higher or lower. A lot of retail traders have a false idea of the market. They believe that most of the participants of the market are other traders like themselves, and they believe in order for them to win, another trader has to lose. Well, that isn't really true. Institutional money, aka smart money, controls about 95% of the volume in the market. All of the retail traders in the world combined can only account for the remaining 5%. Even during the quieter hours of the market, the traded volumes are huge. There are a lot of institutional bots all trading at the same time, and those bots only use mathematical equations for placing trades. I'm personally very interested in this subject and I've read a lot of books on algorithmic and machine trading. I will get into this subject later in the future in another video, but for now let's stay on point. As I was saying, those bots use math for trading, and eventually the majority of them win the war over the control of the price and move it higher or lower. What that means is that retail traders can't move the price in the market. No matter how stupidly you trade, your volume is not enough for the price to move because of it. And for the price to actually move to another price point, there has to be a buyer and a seller that are willing to trade in that price. So when you put in any order from your retail account, your order won't get filled unless an institution is willing to sell or buy from you in that price. And when the only players who can actually move the price are the bots, you will only make money if your trades are in the same direction as the majority of them. Otherwise you will lose, because the majority of them will eventually take control of the price and move it in their own direction. So how can you trade with them and not against them? Well, it's actually a bit complicated to really figure out what the majority of those bots are doing in the market exactly. That is actually what I would call my own edge in the market. I can predict those moves with a high level of accuracy and can manage my trades based on those moves that I foresee. But if you are a beginner and don't have a lot of knowledge about algorithmic trading or machine trading, then I guess the best thing you can do right now is to just change the way you look at the candlestick charts. Try looking at the chart as a way to find out which group, buyers or sellers, are in control of the price at any given moment. Like for example, when you look at a chart like this one, which group do you think are in control of the price? Even at first glance you can see that there are more red candles than there are green candles, right? So you can kind of figure out that for the most part, sellers have ended up controlling the price and pushing it down more and more. Their candles are stronger than those of the buyers, and you can see long pins on top of the candles way more than you can see them in the bottom of the candles. Which means in most occasions where buyers have tried to take back control of the price, more sellers have stepped in and pushed the price back down and didn't allow them to create a strong bullish candle. So what would be the smarter move for you to trade this chart as a beginner? Would you want to be on the buyer side or on the seller side? Of course the seller side. They seem like better competitors for you to bet on, right? Of course, there are a lot of other factors to take into account in order to actually trade this chart. But I think the best thing for you to do at first is to find out who is in control of the price and then move on to your other tools in order to find a good entry for trading with them and not against them. Alright guys, this is where I will end this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it and give it a thumbs up. And happy trading!